Oh, oh,
What a starting song.
what a
It's
what?
Gucci.
It's Gucci. Ooh, what a good song. Let's play, boy. Can we get 2 for 2 on the Winnies?
Yeah.
What if I just did a side camera here? Ooh. Help!
Gucci.
How to get rid of hiccups? That's a phenomenal title.
Uh.
It's like the worst stand ever.
Mm.
Mm.
Run on a train with the big guns. Brr.
Take a drink. Take a drink of water, bend over, and swallow. Solve, according to Aubrey. Solve.
That sounds kinky.
So that's, well, I mean, if you want to think of it like that, you can do that as well. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh, Lee! Lee,
Hey,
get ready, bud.
I'm ready. In stream. Why?
Because you solve your hiccups.
Ooh. Hey. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you for the 4 months with that tier 2.
Hey. Oh yeah, man. Always 4 months. I got you, boy. There's weird feedback. Oh, sounds bad.
Gucci. Where'd you want? Where'd you want?
Oh shit! I'm not even on.
Ah!
Hold up. You're good. You're good. Hold
Swim, swim.
up. Where are we going?
Northport, swim.
I'm swimming. Oh, there we go. How about? Is it still weird? Aubrey.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's not for me.
No, it was just when I had Lee stream on the camera for a second. Can't hear. Just killed the bot.
What?
He's so faint. Oh, okay.
I am?
Apparently, I got you, bro. Don't worry about it. All right, Lee, say something.
There's a hiccup. Something. I can hear me feedback through your mic. You have your stream pulled up?
Got somebody.
Dude, why are you finding everyone? I want to have fun too.
I know. I'm glad you do. He's so. How about now, Aubrey? Can you hear him now? fucking team near me.
Yeah, there's a horse somewhere. I just came in the building that you were in.
North. Oh shit! A chicken.
Chicken them.
Nice. Yeah. Okay.
Man, I didn't get that chicken.
Someone else over here. Coming up. Healing up, he's healing up. Ah, someone else.
We'll get in the house, get a little height. And hopefully something other than that. No. It's still just AR.
I have a slug and a shotty. I have absolutely no heals.
Ow! Ow! Yeah, I don't have heals either. Oh, he's up. He's thirsting me.
I know, I'm trying to kill him!
Robo Pilgrim.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn.
Unweary panda.
Well, it wasn't a 2-for-2er, but it's okay.
Oh, that was a friggin' AR, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I had that slug and that terribleness.
Slug is not terribleness, though.
But with me, it is.
Yikes.
Yikes.
I'll take a gray slug in the in-game over most, like, higher tiers of other weapons.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I would too. I just.
Just hit those shots, dude. Just hit those.
Yeah, just hit him. Cool. I'm hella thirsty though. Oh, water bottle. 1 second.
Drink water. It's you. It's always. Why do I hear myself come back? Oh, you took your headset off of that. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Why do I hear myself feedback through my headset?
Why?
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't know. Like, apparently my headphones are just so loud that you can hear yourself through the mic.
Damn. It's a loud headset.
Apparently. Fucking apparently. I didn't even turn it up that loud, I didn't think. I don't know. Beats me.
I know where it used to be open and find out that it wasn't real. I'm still hurt inside. Ah! The bending over with the hiccup thing? No, didn't work.
No. No. You gotta like bend over and drink the water.
I put water in my mouth and then bent over and then swallowed.
No.
Like,
you
I
gotta bend over first.
Take a drink of water, bend over, swallow. I did it in order that Aubrey said.
Well.
Tell me I did it wrong. I listened to Aubrey word for word. Trust me, I've been broken before.
At least someone does? Wait, what? What are at least someone what?
At least someone listens to her.
I listen to you.
That did not sound convincing.
Yes, I will. Let's go to Sentinel Hold. Bottom left. Or E.
Bottom yeet. Bottom yeet!
Send it. Yeet. I listen. What are you talking about? How could you say such a thing? How could
You aren't sounding too convincing, Bill.
you? You know, Lee, shut the hell up. Oh, you. Oh.
Told me.
I have a slug. I have a slug on me.
I got slug on me too.
Cool. Good. Okay.
I like this song. I told you I'd be here forever.
You say you have people near you?
No, I said I like this song.
Oh, okay.
Flare. Oh, I do have people near me. He dead. Is that you getting on a horse?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Outside the wall.
Other side of the wall. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get on top of the wall here.
Yep. See him?
No. Told you.
Oh, I do.
Got him.
What you got for me? Nothing. Atrocious. Literally nothing.
Found it. Epic.
Wow, I mean, the other guy I killed, I was sitting there trying to adjust my music, and he just walked in the door past me and went to the chest.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure it was a bot.
Probably.
I forgot how annoying it is to try to find the balance of the music and game volume for a realm.
Yeah. It's. I usually just have it low and just say screw it. You know, like if everyone else feels it, great. If not, I don't care. They can put their own music on.
Yeah, but when I'm playing something like this, the music's literally on for them, not for me anyway.
Oh well.
I don't like having music on these games.
They don't have music then. If someone wants to listen, if someone wants to watch your channel and listen to music, they can put on music if they want. Doesn't have to be for you. You know what I mean?
Nah. I'm a complete service streamer, you know?
Complete service. What the hell are you? IHOP?
No, I don't give them pancakes. Oh, I'm going to that chest.
Okay. I got like 10 seconds for this thing.
Yeah. You do that and I'll get all the loot.
That works. Hey, leave one thing for me. I'm coming. That was terrible.
I left one thing. I took two, left one.
You left me a slug.
I left you the
You want this
turret.
blast? I want this blast.
No, I don't want it. I'm gonna go invisible, boy. And that
I can
didn't
see.
even make me
Wait.
invisible.
No, it doesn't. What the hell?
It does, it didn't do it right that time.
Oh.
There we go.
The fog sets in.
If you don't, I guess if you throw it in a weird way, it's not good.
I guess. Oh. I need something to.
Told you I'd be down forever.
Not gonna lie though, your stream looks great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've tweaked my overlay a lot.
It shows. It looks good, man. Like, looks real good.
I gotta try to keep up with you.
Yeah, dude. My layout, I like a lot. I like it a lot.
Yeah, I like it
I like
too.
it. Yeah, I like to get more stands though and put it cameras in different places, but I can work on that.
How many cameras do you want?
Oh no, just the two, but like I want them in different places. And I don't want to use Arby's Canon. It's too valuable of a product. I would get another Logitech camera instead of using hers, because hers is way too good for this stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Aw. So, but the camera that I got, my Logitech, I can't buy it anymore. Yeah, it went out of. They phased it out or whatever. They only have the newer one, which is fine. It's a good one, but this one's super nice.
I'm gonna try to forge something real quick.
Okay, you got time. You got a minute.
And we fought all night till things get right.
So respectful. I try, Auburn. Just realized I don't have any ability. LOL.
How do you not have a movement ability?
I scrapped it so I could forge this room.
I got my old white one up here.
And
I have like no evasiveness on my guy, but I have 2 different ways to go invisible. Oh, my white one's at the forge if you would want that.
I might.
The forge is about to out of zone right now though.
Yeah. I don't find your white weapons. This is terrible.
Yeah. All I got was weapons out of that. I was gonna.
I have a hidden, so that's something. Not really what I want, but on that Cadillac ring, you did? Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, I'm using a hidden right now too.
Yeah. Not a big fan of it.
Neither am I.
Let's see if we can maybe hit up another floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I had like a sniper, I'd be more okay with having the hidden, because that's you have a chance to peek in some spots that you might not be able to. But
$100, that's it. Oh.
$100 for what?
So I don't know if you ever heard of this company called Kate Spade.
No.
Yeah, it's kind of luxury stuff, but it looks alright. But they had this Cadillac. And it's an old pink Cadillac DeVille that like wears across your ring and middle finger.
Yeah.
Oh my dude, it was the fucking pimpest shit.
There's a green revolver if you want that.
Instead of this slug?
That's up to you. Whatever you like better out of them.
Yeah.
The slug will hit from further away.
Yeah.
Revolver shoots a little faster. But they're.
I'd rather have that since I have my
Found an epic.
Oh yeah. 15% lifesteal, baby.
I'll be down forever. Are we going to Trinity Forge?
Yeah, might as well. Let's get it.
Kate Spades. I'll check that after this match, Aubrey.
You send him a link, Ups?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks so dope, dude. It's kind of girly. Like, it's designed for girls, but fuck, I want it. I don't give a shit.
Let's see what the time is after the zone starts collapsing here.
Probably a minute something. Minute 18.
The forge is active.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. As long as I don't have to fight nobody. Oh, I'm trying, man. I'm coming.
I need to heal badly.
I'm chicken. Get me off the edge, goddammit. I'm dead. Damn it. Sorry, man. They were loaded out. There's a chest. I'm not going to head to that. I didn't see you. They're not going to get shit off my body out of that. Heirloom ain't shit. I'm looking around for you. I'm looking around. I don't see nobody. Nice, man. Good job. That's better.
Shooting at.
Yeah, someone down the thing, I think. Yep, on the edge. You see him?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out who he's shooting at.
Sitting through those trees. I wouldn't sit where you are. Yeah.
They're not
Two of
gonna be
them?
paying attention to me right now.
One good hit. Now they are.
It's fine.
So you froze, went offline, and refreshed it. You're back.
Ow!
Yeah.
He hit that?
No, nothing peaked on it. And Twitch being something weird for a second.
I'm gonna keep getting a little.
Didn't drop any frames or anything. I don't know, Ops. Let me do this then so I can lower my CPU usage a bit.
Oh, actually, let's see. We can go hit that chest. Oh god.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there, Ops, but whatever.
This is our party. We do what we want. Don't you wanna be?
Did we get this chest? Alright. I'm looking around for you in your back and stuff. Oh,
Of course, it has followed me.
nothing?
Nothing worth getting. Why are these guys following me down here?
I don't know.
Then there's people in the forge.
Of course there is.
See if I can sneak up with this guy.
Oh, nice, dude. Nice. You're right, teammate.
That is to my left.
Oh. Can you pop his chicken?
I don't know where his chicken went.
I don't know. I'm looking.
I'm one shot if that guy hits me.
Like that. Damn.
I don't know if he is on the guy's team or not.
Let's see.